Hi, this is John with WTI, and I am an enthusiast for trying new chocolates from time to time. And this is where this crunch comes into place. It's just really good. So this is milk chocolate at the same time as rice cake. So every single time that you're trying to have like a rice cake, of course, it's really good overall. Like it's filling, but at the same time, this is a great combination because it's soft on the outside. It has this crispy rice cakes in in the middle that overall is just really nice. What I like to do is that after lunch or even if I'm having a sweet craving while I'm working at my desk, I would just go to my fridge. I always like to keep them cold, take one or two of these guys, and it just does the job perfectly. As I'm trying to always stay good with my insulin levels, always getting a little bit of chocolate, or if I'm having a headache, that works for me. It's really good overall. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.